Due to network issue, today our class was not properly managed, and so that I have decided to bring a video for you. In short, whatever I want to teach in the class, although few things I have discussed, but uh, we want to complete it. we were lear- we were learning about this chapter, the story of Amrita. The story of Amrita. In this chapter, Amrita was a girl. She lived in a village named Khejri. The village named due to tree which were found in that area, the Khejri tree. Okay, this story was very old, approximately 400 years ago. This story, this event had happened. In this story, Amrita and their family members as well as villagers lost their life uh, to save during to save the trees. And now you know that why they have done so. They used to say that uh, plants and trees can survive without us, but we can't survive without them. People of the Khejri village used to say this, means पेड़ नहीं तो हम नहीं. What they say, पेड़ नहीं तो हम नहीं. This word uh, explains about the importance of tree and plants. Yes, we use trees and plants in different manner, and it is integral part of our life. Like we inhale oxygen, we used wood for furniture, we use plants for medicine, we use to eat fruits, seeds, bark, leaf, etc. So it is definitely integral part of our life. You know that there are a lot of plants and trees which grows near about us, but we don't know the importance of these plants and trees. In most of the cases, it may be herbs or medicinal plants. It may be used for any other purpose. Okay, I have already told you that you have to write and paste or draw pictures of 5 medicinal plants. Have you done so? If good, if you have done so, then good, and if you haven't done so, then do it. Today we will also understand this, that not only plants and trees, but also animals, which are very important for us. Why? You want to know this? Okay, let's understand. uh, in this circle, suppose that बेटा है suppose that यार हाँ, suppose that this is our mother earth. Okay, we as human being also lives in it. Okay, हाँ, हाँ, we as human being also live. Animals are also used to dear children,
जैसे ना, कान जैसे,
हाँ?
कान जैसे ना।
अरे
हाँ,
सब ऐसे ही
कैसा
है
कैसा
हाँ. Animal also used to live here. Birds also used to live here. You know, birds. So as plant and trees also used to exist in this environment. Means plant, human being, birds, animals, everyone lives here. And we create a coexistence and ecosystem. Means सब लोग हमारे लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है. ईच एंड एवरी वन, each flora and fauna are important. Okay, can you tell one thing that earlier, if you talk to your parents or guardian or elders, that there were so many animals and birds which can be seen easily in the environment, but nowadays these birds and animals are not uh, present or not easily seen. You know why? Oh, you can discuss it, like vulture, like eagle. Eagle is completely extincted. Like kite, it is called chil in Hindi. And there are so many. Earlier, tigers, leopards are easily seen in the jungle. Nowadays, jungles are also shrinked